The name of my magazine is Generation, and it's an indie rock magazine. My target audience for my magazine is mainly male, but also female, and most of my audience would be teenagers and students who are into their music. My name Generation came from when I looked at my target audience, because teenagers and students is a generation of people, which is why I came up with the name Generation. I have used existing magazines with the same genre and similar target audience, NME and Q, to help with the layout of my front cover and contents page. These gave me a good layout to start adding my own ideas. On my front cover I have banners, plugs and cover image laid out similar to those on my NME magazine I was using. Looking at the preferred reading, Stuart Hall 1980, you can tell that the magazine is indie. This is because of the colour scheme I have used that is simple, stands out and connects to the genre of music and is aimed at teenagers and students. The cover image and main story shows this because the members of the band are also teenagers and students. This image on the cover has direct gaze coming from all three members of the group. This shows to the audience that the magazine is personal to them. This image will also be looked at as ideal selves because people reading the magazine may want to be like these their self, which is why they read the magazine. I have done my masthead Generation in black and white because it is a simple colour scheme that works well with the genre of music and stands out from a distance. I use the font GF Ordner because the font isn't too simple but not too complicated, so works well. My main cover story and pull quote stretch across the length of the page and take up quite a lot of the page. This is because this story is the main story and the main feature of the magazine, so it needs to stand out for the audience to see. My contents page uses an old layout of a Q content that is simple and easy to understand from our audience's view. I have used the G from Generation before content at the top of the page in the same way Q uses the Q at the top of their contents. This also allowed me to create a house style throughout the magazine on my double page spread. I have two sections to my contents, the features, which are all stories that are in the magazine, and an extra section that has pages throughout the magazine that would inform audiences of what is happening in the world of music. These sections are separate with several features in each box. I have placed an image that is connected with one of the features. To show what the image is about, I have anchored it with the same text as in the features section to show it is from this feature. I have also got two plugs on my content, one to subscribe to the magazine and another to win an iPod Touch. These are both next to each other in the bottom corner of the page. If I did them both in the same colour and style, that corner looked blocky with one big box. I have done one yellow with black border and the other black with yellow border to break these two plugs up so they look separate and can tell that they are two separate plugs. My double page spread doesn't use a certain magazine for its layout, but I have used features such as slugs, pull quotes and drop caps from magazines I have read to create a page that looks realistic but has my own ideas and thoughts. I chose to take my image landscape to take up the full double page and have the band members to one side because I had seen this in the magazine and I thought it looked good, how the image carries across the two pages with the band on one side and the background of the image carries across and creates a good background for the text to lie on top of. My text is across 3 columns, so the lines aren't too long. This makes the article more appealing, and with the text broken up it looks as though there is not as much, which will convince the reader to read this article. I have used 3 drop caps throughout the article because these break up the sections of the article where it goes from the band beginning to where they are now getting help from their idol, and the last section about what they plan to do, showing their progression throughout the story. My title is big so the reader can immediately know the article. Then I have my lead that briefly fills the reader in more so they know what the article is going to be about. Another feature I have used so the reader knows what the article is my slug that I have added to the top corner of my page saying exclusive. I have done this because it is the main feature of the magazine and an exclusive piece about a new upcoming band.